Okay, bakit may ganyan? Okay? Alright? Sige, go! Ngayon, tapos na kayo sa katabi nyo. Transfer naman kayo, kuha kayo ng kapartner sa katabing table nyo. And do the same thing while introducing yourselves, ha? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Alright. O, teka. Paano nang magtampo yung ibang tables? For the last round, please approach someone from the other tables. Go, introduce yourself, and do the handshake of awesomeness. Okay. Good job. Now, you may go back to your seats. Alam niyo guys, isang oras natin dito, isa sa dalawang bagay, o posibleng pareho, lang naman ang pwedeng mangyari. It's either you have fun first, or you have fun of me. Alright? So tingnan natin kung ano ang mangyayari. See? Nakumpleto na natin yung prerequisites para magkaroon ng passion to serve. Ano yung una? Kailangan daw? Happy ka. Kasi yung happiness mo, when you're in a cheerful disposition, lumalabas din sa way ng pakikitungo mo sa ibang tao. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? And then, kapag ikaw yung magaling ka at gustong-gusto mo makipag-socialize, lumalabas din yan. Kahit sino ang kausap mo, whatever his or her personality is, okay lang, carry. Kasi I love helping other people. So yun yung tinatawag natin love of others. Happiness and love of others. Pag meron kayo niyan, wala ka problema. Every day, you have the passion to serve. Tama or mali? Kayo ba? Are there so many reasons at work that make you happy? That make you feel or want to feel happy? Or is the only thing that makes you feel happy at work is that your chair spins? Pero magsasalita doon, sir, hindi, chair na nga lang, hindi pa umiikot eh. Kulang sa budget. So wala na po kaming dahilan para maging happy sa trabaho. Yeah. So pagkatapos niyan, ready na tayo para matutunan ang essential elements of customer service. Alam nyo,